just a quick tip, or should I say a suggestion of a resource. This is a spelling rules book by National Literacy Strategy. It's quite old. It's by CGP and 2002, so it is quite an old book. But as you can see, you can try and find it online, maybe on eBay, or contact CGP and see if they have any of them in print, because I have found it quite invaluable with some of my students. You can really clearly see the sounds in the words, and then there's also, you know, IE and EI words, some tricky words like silent words as well are in here, like silent K or G, or silent W's and B's are here. So see if you can find this online. If not, I have actually found a few of the current national strategy that is in place that recommends a certain word list. So look out for those two PDFs attached to this Eminitut. They should be called National Spelling Strategy